So, in this video, we are talking about Trafico. Trafico is a Frankie's way of generating free traffic and tons of commissions using a sneaky Facebook trick. This also comes with a video marketing software that will ensure the maximum amount of money in your subscribers' pocket. The price for Trafico is $17. First, Trafico Bump, which is unlimited edition, removes all limitations on the Trafico software, comes with an FE members area, release the full power of our exclusive software for a one-time only fee, unlimited searches, unlimited leads, unlimited income. This is one time opportunity available only on this checkout page. This offer will never be repeated again. Second, upgraded gold. In this upgraded gold, we spill the beans and reveal additional methods for the buyers to double their profit with the Trafico system. Over the shoulder video training, advanced tips and tricks, list building method never seen before. Our niche finding software will do the heavy lifting for you. Next, upgraded, done for you. Get your hands on Frankie's best high converting campaigns. Copy paste these battled tested campaigns to save your time and increase commission. Full access to my evergreen DFY campaigns, review videos and bonuses to give away include use them as your own with our rebranding system. My best follow up my best follow up sequence to increase engagement and promote additional offers. Step by step training how to get the most out of this so you bank money on autopilot. Push buttons, money optimization of the Trafico system. Access to world class support. Next, upgrade 3, unlimited traffic. Get unlimited traffic by placing your FB Google Pixel on all of your pages to gather a huge retargeted audience. We have also included advanced traffic training for all of the traffic sources. And last, reseller license. Steal your traffic, sells it as your own. This product has been taken to develop and thousands of dollars have been spent creating all the sales material. Tens of hours spent to record all the videos. Buyers of this upgrade will enjoy guaranteed affiliate approval and automatic 100% commissions bump on this awesome high converting funnel while we handle all of the support. This is an awesome package for new marketers who are struggling to approve on affiliate offers, and there are still 4 plus software which is provided by Trafico for you that you can create more and more sales from your affiliate marketing software. All you have to do is use Trafico and place your product and place your ad to Trafico, and Trafico will do all the remaining work. It will send a huge amount of traffic to your ad which will have a great chances to buy the product and make hundreds of commissions for you very quickly and very easily. You have to do one thing, which is go in the description box and click on the Trafico link, and it will be redirected to you to the sales page of Trafico, where you will find all the details about Trafico and how Trafico will work. And after that, you have only one work. You have to purchase the Trafico and place your ad to Trafico, and Trafico will do all the remaining work for you, and you will make huge amount of profit over and over again. And if you buy the Trafico product from the link in the description, I have a very big surprise for you. I will give a free ebook which is related to traffic and search engine optimization, and this will help you to make huge amount of profit. All you have to do is go in the description box, purchase Trafico product and send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, and you will be provided a free ebook which will give you immense knowledge of search engine optimization and traffic building. Go in the description box and check out Trafico.